Hey guys, I had to pull Southern Star out of the water to do some repairs and upgrades. First, I wanted to replace the cutlass bearing that was getting worn, which we found at survey. I wanted to add a line cutter to the prop because the crab traps down here are so thick in the keys. I wanted to also install the radar arch I recently purchased and replace that through hull that I showed you in previous videos that we caught after the survey was done in the head. So we're replacing the through hull and seacock. And also I have a J prop that needed adjusting when we put the new engine in. It's not getting up to full RPM, so we need to make an adjustment to that. Be sure to hang around to the end of the video for 3 bonus tips to surviving your next haul out. Hopefully these will be very helpful and make the experience a little less stressful.
Here I am at the boat yard, and I'm here checking up on the status of my boat, having a lot of updates done to her, and I'm just coming to check out what's been going on with her.
Phew, that was no fun. Well, here are 3 bonus tips to surviving your next haul out. Haul outs can be very stressful. Plan ahead with the yard. Visit the yard, if at all possible, and check the layout, where the travel lift is, and even as far as where the bathrooms are, can make anything a little easier for your stay. And communication is key. Be sure you know what you can and cannot do yourself at the yard. Some yards will let you wax your hull, some won't. Some will let you paint the bottom of your boat, some won't. Most yards here in the Keys charge a surcharge for bringing in your own bottom paint. And plan on it taking longer and costing more money than you planned. Part 2 is coming up next week, and you will see how big my list grew. And then part 3 will come, and you will see how more my list grew. Just take it all in stride. Thank you so much for watching. And comment below and let me know how your last haul out went. Was it a dream? Was it easy? Or was it a nightmare?